Have you heard of the latest skincare trend taking the internet by storm? It's called slugging, and it involves slathering your face with petroleum jelly before bed. Sounds strange? But trust me, there's a method to this madness. This K-beauty technique delivers intensely hydrated, dewy skin. Think of it like tucking your skin into bed with a super hydrating blanket. Wake up with a complexion that resembles a glazed donut. Ready to discover if slugging is your ticket to radiant skin? Slugging might sound like something you do in a garden, but in the skincare world, it's all about achieving that coveted dewy finish. In the simplest terms, slugging involves applying an occlusive agent, typically petroleum jelly, as the final step in your nighttime skincare routine. Imagine this. You've cleansed, toned, and applied your serums. Now it's time to seal in all that goodness. This is where the magic of slugging comes in. The petroleum jelly acts like a protective barrier, preventing moisture loss and allowing your skin to fully absorb all the beneficial ingredients you've applied. Think of it as creating a mini sauna for your face. The occlusive layer traps in hydration, essentially forcing your skin to deeply hydrate itself throughout the night. This results in a plumper, smoother, and more radiant complexion come morning. Slugging with petroleum jelly is trending. Why? Intense hydration. It locks in moisture, enhances product absorption, reduces fine lines, smoother skin texture. Try it for a radiant boost. Section 4. Slugging and your skin type. Is it right for you? Before you grab that jar of petroleum jelly, it's crucial to consider your skin type. Slugging isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, and it's especially important to proceed with caution if you have acne-prone or oily skin. For those with dry or dehydrated skin, slugging can be a game-changer, providing that extra boost of moisture your skin craves. However, if your skin tends to be oily or acne-prone, slugging might not be your best bet. Why? Because the occlusive nature of petroleum jelly can trap oil and bacteria, potentially leading to breakouts. If you have oily or acne-prone skin and are determined to try slugging, consider doing a patch test first to see how your skin reacts. Apply a small amount of petroleum jelly to a small area of your face and monitor for any adverse reactions. Section 5 Slugging 101, your step-by-step guide to a dewy complexion. Ready to embark on your slugging journey? Here's a step-by-step guide to ensure you're doing it right. First, start with a gentle cleanser to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities from your skin. Second, if you use a toner, apply it after cleansing. Then, apply your usual serum or moisturizer. This is the layer that will be sealed in by the petroleum jelly. Next, take a pea-sized amount of petroleum jelly and warm it up between your fingertips. Gently pat it onto your face, avoiding the eye area. Finally, hit the hay and let the slugging work its magic overnight. In the morning, gently wash your face with your regular cleanser to remove any residue. You should wake up with skin that feels supple, hydrated, and oh so glowy. Section 6. Product Picks. The best products for your slugging journey. When it comes to slugging, the star of the show is undoubtedly petroleum jelly. It's readily available, affordable, and highly effective as an occlusive agent. Here are a few popular options. First, the OG of petroleum jelly. This classic option is a tried and true favorite. Second, this ointment contains additional ingredients like panthenol and glycerin, which can provide extra hydration. And lastly, another great option for sensitive skin. This ointment is fragrance-free and non-comedogenic. Remember, a little goes a long way with petroleum jelly. Start with a pea-sized amount and adjust as needed based on your skin's response. Section 7. Final Thoughts. Embrace the glow responsibly. Slugging can be a fantastic addition to your skincare routine, offering a boost of hydration and promoting that coveted dewy finish. However, like any skincare trend, it's essential to approach it with a dash of caution and a sprinkle of common sense. Remember to patch test first, especially if you have sensitive or acne-prone skin. Listen to your skin and adjust the frequency of slugging based on its needs. And most importantly, embrace the journey to healthy, radiant skin without feeling pressured to follow every trend that pops up on your feed. Have you tried slugging? We'd love to hear about your experience. Share your thoughts and results in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation about all things skincare.